If you only have one day in Phnom Penh, I want to show you how to experience the best of it, all for under $50. From incredible local feasts at every meal, to Phnom Penh's only blind massage center, to stunning temples and a powerful walk through Cambodia's dark history. I've been to Phnom Penh 6 times, and today I'm taking you on an epic day you'll never forget. Alright, good morning from Phnom Penh. For breakfast, we're going to go to Central Market where they have a lot of classic breakfast dishes for us to check out. To get around Phnom Penh, I recommend downloading an app called Grab. Hello. Central Market? It's basically their version of Uber, and it helps you not overpay for tuk-tuks and taxis. If you've never been to an open market in Asia before, get ready. It will be an experience for you. The smells, sights, and sounds is a little chaotic at first, but don't worry, we're headed straight for the food section for a local-style breakfast. Thank you. So what I decided to get was this egg noodle soup with some wontons, and looks like there's some veggies in here. It's pretty much what everyone else is eating, so there's so many options. All this stuff is free. This is a Chinese donut. It's included. You can just dip it in the soup. You can put some chili. Oh, that chili spicy. Woo. Wow, it's good. So much flavor. This is like perfectly fluffy, chewy, savory, dipped in the soup. So good. I'll take one of this one. So I feel so dumb. I forgot to click record. So I'm already like almost done with this, but yeah, basically it comes with this banana leaf wrap. Inside is sticky rice, and I think on the inside is green sweet beans, like the Asian kind, and it's very good. Such a good finish to a savory breakfast. The rest of Central Market is a colorful maze of gold, clothes, and things you didn't know you could buy. Even if you don't buy anything, it's an experience just to wander through. After breakfast, I made my way to one of Phnom Penh's most iconic landmarks, Wat Phnom. This iconic temple sits on the only hill in the city, and it's where the city of Phnom Penh is said to have begun. According to legend, a woman named Lady Pen found sacred statues of the Buddha inside a tree floating down the river. She built this temple on the hill to protect them, and the city that grew around it was named Phnom Penh, meaning Pen's Hill. Today, this temple is a peaceful escape from the busy streets surrounded by shady trees and colorful shrines. After Wat Phnom, we head to a much more sobering experience into Cambodia's dark history, the Tuol Sleng Genocide Museum. Once a high school, Tuol Sleng was transformed into a secret prison known as S21 during the brutal Khmer Rouge regime. Between 1975 and 1979, over 17,000 people were imprisoned, interrogated, tortured, and ultimately killed here, not by foreign invaders, but by their own countrymen, Cambodians killing Cambodians. This is a place you have to experience in person to fully grasp the weight of what happened. It's not an easy visit, but it's an essential one. It's a testament to the resilience and spirit of the Cambodian people today. It's the hottest time of year, but it's mango season. It's so fresh, so sweet. So I'm currently here at Nika Singh Hand's Massage Therapy Center in Phnom Penh. Is very close to the Genocide Museum, and I'm about to get a 1-hour massage. And the cool thing about here is that everyone here, the massage therapists, are all blind. They have a lot of good Google reviews, so I'm really looking forward to it. Before the massage, they had me change into their massage clothes. I'll let you know how the actual massage goes shortly. How long have you worked here?
Actually, I moved here 9 years ago, but I have been working at a masseuse over 30 years.
Oh wow.
Perhaps before you were born, maybe.
Yeah. I'm 29.
No, see? You were born in
95.
1995, yes.
Yeah.
At that time, I was studying.
Okay.
Great that you're growing up on time.
Yeah. How many massage therapists work here?
Including myself, there are 7 of us.
Okay. This is really cool.
Thank you very much for your supporting.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Here you go.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Good.
It was not a Swedish massage. It was definitely a lot of like pressure points and yeah, digging out the knots kind of a massage. So I'm at this restaurant called 11-1 Restaurant. I found this restaurant specifically because they were highly rated for the classic Cambodian dish called Amok. So here it is. Food is here. This is a tofu and mushroom amok, the vegetarian version because I'm vegetarian. But if you're not vegetarian, you can get the fish version and the chicken version. Basically what it is, it looks like it's cooked with coconut milk, lime and saffron leaves, and lemongrass. I don't know everything they put in it, but there's a lot of spices, and this is probably one of the most classic and traditional dishes here in Cambodia. Some people even say it could be the national dish, but it's a perfect pairing. Mushroom with tofu, and if you look at the tofu here, look at that tofu. It's like, not even like tofu, it's more like tofu skin. All right, for dessert, I decided to get some mango sticky rice. Now what's unique about this is normally they put coconut milk over the rice, but today they put durian sauce. Now if you know anything about durian, it's considered the stinky fruit from Asia. In fact, some people hate it so much, they ban it from public transportation in certain places, along with items like explosives, guns, and drugs almost. So, I mean, I don't think it's that bad. I don't love it, but I also don't hate it. The smell doesn't really bother me. Yeah, it definitely smells like durian. Well, the sticky rice is so good that the durian really actually complements it. Let's try it with mango. Cannot beat Asian yellow mangoes. This is coconut ice cream. Wow. This is the perfect pairing. I'd much rather have the durian sauce on the rice and then coconut ice cream on the side. Genius. Mission accomplished. After a full day of exploring, I'm taking a break to relax at the pool on my hotel. Because tonight, we're going to experience my favorite thing about Southeast Asia. All right, we are here at the night market in Phnom Penh. It's my favorite place to be. Night markets in Asia. You have so much food, you have everything here, so we're just gonna take a look around, explore a bit. So I've walked around, looked at everything, and it looks like everyone is selling almost the exact same thing. I think it'll make the choice easier at least. Oh, thank you. This is what I got. I got fried noodles with eggs and tofu and different veggies. and you can put whatever you want on it. They have like a million toppings, so. Wow. It's like perfectly umami and sweet. Wow, very good. Very classic Cambodian street food, fried noodles. Wow, thank you. Fresh coconut ice cream. This looks so good. Wow. Also has the fresh coconut meat in here. In just one day and for under $50, I ate like a local and explored the best of Phnom Penh. These are moments you can't put a price on. Make sure to check out this video where I head to Cambodia's hill country to see the oldest elephant sanctuary. I'll see you there.